This is the virtual tour of 2874 Oakwater Drive here in Kissimmee, Florida, 34747. As you walk into the apartment, the townhome, you got stairs going upstairs. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fully furnished townhome. There's the garage, the door to the garage. Little table, garbage can, good fire extinguisher. We're going to open up here and show the laundry area. A few supplies there. Laundry machine, their top load washer, not the greatest, but you know it does work. Ironing board, iron, of course a mop, and a broom. Should be a mop there. Coming over here, we got all the appliances, knives, toaster, some condiments there, decent microwave, refrigerator, freezer, we'll show you that, the inside. Leave some bottled water for the guests. Do have quite a few utensils for people. Kitchen towels, dish drainer, some pots and pans, some other pots and pans. In this drawer, we got a blender, and of course coffee maker. Lots of cleaning supplies under there if you so desire. Nothing under there, but all the dishes and everything are inside here. So you can see that it's fully stocked, ready for your moving in. Colander, tea kettle, little salt and pepper, some other baking things, storage containers. So it's ready to go, ready to move in for a vacation rental. Even this closet, we have a few odds and ends in here. Dog dishes is a pet friendly, a few tools, plunger if you need it, hopefully you don't need that, Swifter, whatever. So that's kind of the kitchen area. Then if we walk out to the main area, a little bright, but you can see there's a 60-inch TV, place settings for 6, plus there's an extension leg underneath the pull-out sofa here, sleeper sofa. We just peek out through here, a couple chairs. It's a nice little sitting area. Everything, of course, is no smoking. Desk. A little sitting area here as well. So then we're going to go upstairs because that's the, we'll quickly look in this bathroom here. There's our guest book, by the way, and some, a welcome book to kind of tell you a little bit about the property when you get in here. Toilet, a couple hand towels, soap, garbage can. So now we're going to go upstairs. These are tall ceilings here, 9.5 foot ceilings, so you got a good flight of stairs to come up here. That's where the air conditioner would be. Master bedroom, real nice spacious master bedroom. With the master bath. Toilet. Full selection of towels. A couple of things under here. More toilet paper. Cleaning stuff. The hair dryer. And then you got your shower. Little bath mat. And this, I think, is a 50-inch TV. Big closet area. Plenty of room, some extra linens, extra pillows. Hangers, a blanket for your dog if you need it, if you're going to have them on any of the furniture stuff. So that's the master bath. Couple nightstands. Nice bedroom. Now we'll look at the other ones. We'll stop by this first bathroom on the left here, or right I should say. Nothing fancy here. Got a little hand soap, toilet, bath mat, some bath towels. You got some shampoo, conditioner. Nice nice setup here. If you ever wonder what an owner's closet has in it, bunch of boring stuff, some extra linens, some extra soap, cleaning stuff, a few odds and ends for fixing things if you have to, but generally this is locked so you won't really see that. The queen bedroom, which I don't know if that's the right term for it, but it's got a queen bed. Couple nightstands, nothing fancy here. 43-inch TV, everything is hooked up to Spectrum cable. Closet, nothing fancy, but we do have extra linens up there for you. Some beach towels or pool towels, whatever you want to call it, and you can also rent them at the pool area. Kids room, twin room, whatever you want to call it here. Closet basically the same way. A few linens, hangers, a bunch of them. Spectrum cable on this TV. Once again, it's got a clock, radio, lamp, nothing fancy. Little desk area here, so you can do whatever you want with the desk, I guess. Dresser, a couple remotes, TV box. Once again, nothing fancy, but there it is. And that's the virtual tour of 2874 Oakwater Drive here in Kissimmee, Florida. And it's about, I don't even know what day it is, November 15th, give or take. No, I guess it's the, maybe the 18th, November 18th. Looking out of this door, that goes out to the main area. And the garage, we'll take a peek at that. In the garage, nothing fancy, but we got a garage. Got a vacuum cleaner. So that is the virtual tour of 2874 Oakwater Drive here in Kissimmee, Florida on November 18th, 2018.